Hey class, thanks for tuning in really quick. I wanted to go to Connect this week. Actually, I'm going to go back to our course just to go through our list here. First thing you need to do is watch this video this week so that you are not lost, because you have a very important assignment to do this week that you haven't had so far. So please watch this to its entirety. You will do your Learn Smart activity. Make sure that you do these each week and start with them, because they are 20% of your full grade throughout the semester, and it helps you to be able to understand the material. And if you have trouble with these, please let me know. I noticed several did not turn them in on week 1. Hopefully you've caught up now. I haven't checked grades for week 2 yet, making this video. Then you have several listening assignments. We are going into Middle Ages music, and so there's also a Middle Ages review just to help you to know the terms, and then a quiz. This is the new assignment in lieu of a live concert report for this semester, normally worth 10% of your grade. I've chosen to break this assignment up into 5 pieces. These 5 pieces will be done every other week for the next 10 weeks. And so this is concert evaluation number 1. Everything that you need to do is on Connect. You do not need to go to a live concert anywhere or watch any videos. I think that this is going to solve my problem of people not being able to get to live things or going to the wrong kind of shows. And so I want to show you really quick what this looks like, because it's in several parts in Connect. So here is your Learn Smart and your listening, and then here is where your concert evaluation activities begin. First, you must watch this video. There's nothing to answer on here. This is a video link to YouTube. If you are an early college student, which most of you are, you may have trouble with your accessing YouTube. If you do, please let me know. My other school does here in where I live near Hickory. Then from this video, you need to answer part 1. This is not worth anything, but you've got to watch this to do part 1. This part is worth 50 points of your 100 points. Okay, so you have to write a full paragraph, and you have 3 questions to answer. Please write those in full statements, full sentences. You will be graded on how well you answer the questions as well as how well you write the answers. This is part 2. These are multiple choice questions. There is a little bit other listening of Middle Ages music to listen to answer these questions. Please do not jump to this assignment until you've completed all of the other things above here. Then this is part 3. There's some comparisons. This is also multiple choice. So 25 points, 25 points, 50 points. And that constitutes your first concert evaluation grade. Your concert evaluation grade is 10% of your total grade. So this is 1/5. These 4 things are 1/5 of that grade. I hope that makes sense. Then you've got your Middle Ages review and your week 3 quiz. And so going back to our Moodle page, this should take care of everything. Just a reminder, you don't have to complete anything on this page for me. Disregard this on my page because you won't see that. I'm doing something different. This is a PowerPoint presentation you're welcome to look at to help you to kind of comprehend. It's a very comprehensive sort of thing if you want to download them and look at them. The video that you will find is going to be under class resources. Hope you find it. Hope you have a great day. I'm going to upload this video and y'all will be good to go. I hope you were able to do well on your first unit test. It's the hardest of all of them, I think. So have a great week, and let me know if you have any questions.